Are you okay? Okay. You can lap with me in the classroom.
Kung gusto mong pumunta sa kalawakan, magmahal ka ng isa sa galaxy, Pam.
Okay? Okay.